All right, Cass, where are we?
I have no idea.
197. I say that because we could forget it. With these fine people from the UK. We split the boat cost. Would have been 750,000 for just us two. Now it's 750 divided by 2. And here we go. All right, Cass, there you are.
Here we are. We're headed to the Fa Nang Cave. Taking a little boat over.
What boat number?
197.
That was just a test for her. I didn't think she'd remember already.
This is a very historical cave in that it was used during the war.
All right, we're getting rolling on this adventure. We've got our life jackets on. Hopefully they can come off at some point. I wouldn't mind going swimming. Right there is a ferry crossing that he gave us the background on. I think he said it was part of the Ho Chi Minh Trail right there. And that's where we got into. Ben here, the owner of the place we're staying, the farm stay, met us here, surprisingly, and helped us get our boats together, helped us get hooked up with these fine British people, and it went real smooth. And here we are, we're already going. But he said there had already been 150 boats gone already. So there should be a lot of people we're going to run into. Hopefully I won't get in trouble for taking my life. Oh, damn it. Here, hold that, please. We did get in trouble. I put this back on. Damn it. Another boat going by. Nobody waves. And I had a big smile and everything. All right, I was just doing a time check with Cassie. I think we got on the boat around 10:30. They picked us up at the homestay at 10 o'clock, right on the nut. Just a 20-minute ride that they supplied, free cab. That was great. And then Ben, the owner of our homestay, farm stay, gave us a lot of great information about Vietnam during the war and a lot of really cool information. You mothers, what the heck? I'm getting the paddle out. Cassie's going to get that paddle and we're going to get ahead of that boat. This doesn't sit.
Go.
All right, I thought we were going that way, not that I would know. But we're going up the muddy side of the river. I had thought it was heavy rain, and no, it was a cat excavator. The second time I've been wrong today.
But not the last.
I hope her microphone's off. She said something snotty. I get the feeling something exciting can happen here, like a boat crash. There's our man in the crew. He's working hard. I'll give him some direction. All right, there has not been a boat accident yet. Cassie, there could be. You never know. There's our crew moving my stuff. Sorry about that. Oh,
whoa, here we go.
They're going through there. My boys in the track hoe are doing fine. They get them a little bit of insight into how they should be doing it. And I think we're shooting right down in through there. Now this is going to be fun. There has to be a reason that all of us that we're the only boat sitting here. Maybe my passport problem. Don't know. One last shot of my boys in the hoe. I'm not sure why we got balled up here, but that's going to be close. That's going to be close. I hope. This is the part I'm worried about, is that bucket. Ma'am? Well, that was something. They've asked me a couple times to help with captaining and basically piloting the boat. I declined. They got to get their wings somehow. Oh, it feels cooler already right here.
Yeah, it does.
The air temperature has changed 10 degrees just next to the cave.
Dramatically. Man, that feels good.
Evidently, we're docking here. I thought we were going through there. Nobody knows. We'll find out. All right, here's the entrance to the big hike up the. We don't know. Hey, let's go. We always follow Britain's lead. You got it.
You guys know what you're talking
We're
about.
right behind you. You can always trust. You can always trust us.
Good. All right.
Okay, so this is the top. I came quicker than I thought it would.
Yeah.
I don't feel bad, to be honest. Our British friends are sweating, but I feel pretty good. They got sprinklers here. That's awesome. Nobody's behind us pushing us. Even better. The Cave God's Temple. Woo. All right, I gotta catch up. Pretty amazing views already. And we haven't gone anywhere. The misters are awesome. Here's the next spot. Yes, he's shooting for the stairs in the shade. Smartly. There's the river. More of the beautifully shaded part of the trail. Cassie's ahead, blazing the trail. Our British friends are probably at the top, drinking whatever British people drink. These have got to be the steps. They're getting bigger. He said if you get to really big steps, do not give up, which we almost did. Persevere. Thankfully, another resting point. And Vista, Cass is waiting for me. She's not on the mic. You can't hear her tell me how slow I am. All right, I'll catch her. Well, we don't have any friends. They've already sold our ticket, probably moved on. But these are definitely the stairs that Ben was talking about and saying, don't give up. Don't give up. But I'm a good giver-upper, so I don't know. The next vista, about 22 steps from where we were before. Thankfully, 22 hard steps. How's it going, Cass?
Sweating like a pig.
Really, you look good.
Thank you.
This guy looks hot.
And not hot in a good way.
No, hot in a sweaty pig way. That doesn't do any justice to the pigs, I know. But anyway, it's beautiful up here. If there's a God in heaven, he's driving a silver Thunderbird, and we're almost there.
Oh my God, it feels so cool.
Just around the corner. It's getting very interesting.
We're in.
The temperature went down 10 degrees. We have to assume there's a opening or the mouth of a cave. By the cave entrance, it is cool. It is nice.
Very nice.
Looks like this one drinks Jack Daniels. That's fine. That's what you got to do. That's what you do. All right, I'm already cooling down. I feel like my body temperature is now below 100 or below 105. Whoa, Jesus.
Careful.
All right, that's pretty cool. Not gonna lie.
Wow.
And it's about 50 degrees in here. So that's a big freaking plus.
Mm-hmm.
I used to be a spelunker. Cass, were you ever a spelunker in college?
Never done that.
Really?
Nope, a lot of my friends are spelunkers.
Huh.
But I've never done
I don't see any bats. All right, well, now that my breathing is back to a more normal rate, I can talk. Tricky steps. We haven't seen our buddies.
No.
They've either gone around the loop or they're on boat 197 saying, I can't believe those stupid Americans.
Maybe they perished.
Or they perished.
We don't know.
then we really made out on the boat. I am like a goat. I'm very good on mountainous terrain. I've only fallen down 3 times so far. Yes, he just went in that little cave. It's the light source.
Take a
Coming
picture.
back. I don't know if this is the loop they were telling us about. And there they are. They waited for us. Look at that. Who raised the roof? We are home.
Are you swimming?
Swimming? All right.
Looks like you're in water.
All they've got is my birthday suit, but I'm in.
Awesome. This is so cool.
Yeah. This is the big loop they were telling. You gotta squeeze through here.
It'd be thin to get into this.
Boy, I should have once again not lied on my weight on the scale.
Didn't have the big boy breakfast.
And I tried to have the big boy breakfast. Jesus!
You okay? Are you stuck?
Somebody's stuck. All right, made it. Okay. Boy, it's sticky.
I don't think we're going back towards them. Are we? Are we now?
It's a big loop. It'll go back around.
Okay, are you breaking stuff?
Watch out for that. Pretty cool. I'm ready for the boat ride for 40 minutes in the cool cave.
Me too. Sweating like a pig. Where is Quan with our lotus wipes?
Yeah, Quan, if you're watching this video, I assume you are. We need lotus wipes and cold water when we get to the boat. Thank you. There's the entrance. The hole in the wall.
That's nuts.
Almost there.
Though.
Behind us, cool cave. In front of us, hot weather. They look like bats.
Yes, they swoop like bats.
Have we started with 4 people, 1, 2, 3. Ah, shit, we're close enough. Let's roll. This looks pretty interesting. All right, they dropped us off.
Like some sort of folk song.
I left my backpack in there, and now the boat's leaving. That cannot be good. I'm hoping they meet us down the way a little bit.
Very fitting for this area.
We're gonna hike through this beautifully cool cave. All right, Cass, what do you think?
Beautiful, absolutely stunning in here, and it's cool.
How did you find the boat ride? Are you tired from that?
No, I can't believe we had to get out.
I know, that was the worst part of the trip so far.
Yeah.
Of course, they threw us out of the first area because we sat there so long, gapping with our new friends, that they said, "You idiots got to leave."
Yeah.
We were the last boat out of the marina.
All right, so this is probably where they stayed during the war, but then this is where it was getting bombed.
Really?
I think.
Wow.
Have you seen them on that? Look, they're all over.
That could be.
Oh, because they're in a straight line, or in a diagonal line.
It could be. All right, we're back on. I've never seen anything like that. Wow, look at that. What do you think, Cass?
Phong Nha Cave is excellent.
It is excellent. All right, there it is. Exiting from the enormous cave where we just were. Pretty cool. All right, highly recommend, Cass.
I would highly recommend this place.
That was pretty cool.
That hike up to the top
Yeah,
was just enough. It wasn't too bad.
there they are. They made it.
This is stunning. So
It was a lot, though.
Yeah, it was a lot. It's just right, though.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Here's our British friends.
There's our British friends.
Yeah,
They
David-
made it.
David and
They
Jeff.
made it.
They're alive.
They made it. We're all happy.
We were concerned there for a while.
But massages are next, and we are looking forward to them. There's our boys still working. We'll give them a big howdy. Some of our friendly water buffaloes hanging out down by the river today. Every time I quit filming, it just seems like they're more beautiful.
Thanks for watching, Travel Buddies. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you next time.